Ever wonder how to overcome the common design challenges that seem to be a part of every creative project? The answer might be simpler than you think. Enter Canva, a design tool that is as versatile as it is intuitive. Picture this, a platform that offers a myriad of features tailored to address all your design needs. Canva does just that. It provides a user-friendly interface that is accessible to both beginners and seasoned designers alike. Imagine having the ability to choose from millions of templates, ranging from social media graphics to presentations, and even video. With Canva, you have a world of professional designs at your fingertips. But the features don't stop there. You can also customize these templates, giving you the freedom to express your unique style and vision. But what about images and fonts? Canva has you covered. It hosts a vast library of high-quality photos, illustrations, icons, and fonts. Whether you're looking for a minimalist font for your blog or a vibrant image for your marketing materials, Canva's extensive library offers a variety of options to suit your needs. And let's not forget about collaboration. Canva understands that great ideas often come from teamwork. That's why it offers real-time collaboration. You and your team can work together on a design, leaving comments and making changes in real time, a feature that fosters creativity and efficiency. What if you're on the go and need to design something quickly? Canva's got your back. With its mobile app, you can design anywhere, anytime. Now, that's convenience at its best. But Canva isn't just about features. It's about making design accessible and fun. It's about empowering you to create stunning visuals that tell your story. It's about transforming the way we approach design. So why not give Canva a try? Dive into the world of easy and efficient design. With Canva, you have the tools to overcome design challenges and create visuals that resonate. Remember, in the world of design, there are no limits, only opportunities. So seize the opportunity and start designing with Canva today.